Someone here is very entitled. This person believes that the world owes them something, Divine Collective. I'm picking up on an empty apology. You shifted into the 5th dimension, Spirit is telling me. And this person does not want to give you back what's owed to you. Again, you have shifted into the 5th dimension, Divine Collective, into a leadership role here. A lot of you are going into a sacred union as well with your counterpart. And this person is facing the direct results of their own actions. There's a third party who's very manipulative here, Divine Collective. A spiritual perpetrator I'm picking up on. You've escaped death. Someone here was doing death magic on a leader, a spiritual leader. You escaped death. The initial T, first, middle, or last, is of significance. T. The 7 of Swords, deception and secrecy. You're someone who is pure of heart. I'm getting 5, 5, 5 in this reading. Someone here is desperately trying to manipulate others. They're trying to tell fake stories about you, Divine Collective, to manipulate others so that others will see you differently. Okay? Keep it moving, Divine Collective. Keep moving forward towards love here. This is someone who still harbors resentment. I've been picking up on resentment a lot lately, Divine Collective. This is what is holding a lot of karmic energies back, is resentment. Someone just got a message of concern that they failed. And now they want to talk to you since they failed. This is someone who lacks self-respect. This is a pick-me. You have a very powerful calling, purpose over your life, Divine Collective. Every tear that you've cried has been counted and remembered. Someone is speaking to authorities about what they know, about what was done to you. Everyone is exhausted. God has decided it is your time now, Divine Collective. You got out just in the nick of time. You escaped death. Someone was doing death magic here. An ex-spouse. And there's also someone else here that's involved. Someone with the initial T. Karmic family could be involved, Divine Collective. You got out just in the nick of time. These people could be tied to the industry, okay? You have someone within this group saying, or pointing fingers, saying, you're talking to them. I know you are. How do they know everything that they know? You have to be talking to them. So someone feels like they're, what is that? A mole in their camp or something like that, Divine Collective, but that's not the case, okay? You're highly intuitive, very spiritually gifted, and this is how you know what's been going on, Divine Collective, okay? This is their karma. These people are experiencing karma now because of all this death magic. Spirit is disgusted with these people. Entitlement. There's a Leo here. A Leo. Listen to your intuition, Divine Collective. Court case uncovered. This is going to spiritual court. It's time to put on the full armor of the Most High God. These were projections of their own behavior, Divine Collective. Yeah. You were betrayed by people who tried to avoid accountability their entire life. It was always orchestrated so that you would be betrayed by these energies, Divine Collective. These are energies that have refused to take accountability for lifetimes. They were being given another opportunity to get it right this lifetime, okay? That's what I'm picking up on. But so many of these energies chose to walk the same karmic path, okay? They didn't want to change. That's what I'm picking up on. Family, karmic family, child abuse, Divine Collective. The name Wilma is here. A cover-up. There's a cover-up I'm picking up on. They were hoping that you would unalive yourself. Yeah, there's death magic here. Suicide spells, Divine Collective, a lot. A lot, okay? Wow. They were hoping that you would do this to yourself. The tables are now turning. Whoever this masculine is, this ex of yours, Divine Collective, they've been exposed, shamed. You're still winning. You will win this legal situation, this legal court case. You will win, Divine Collective, okay? They gave a blood offering, Santeria. Someone here may be in Santeria or have Santeria roots, Divine Collective. They gave a blood offering. February, June, October is of significance. You have superhuman strength, okay? I heard they've never seen anything like this before. They've never witnessed or experienced anyone like you. Something about your strength. The more they knock you down, it's like you multiply. Divine Collective, you keep getting back up, but when you get back up, it's like you multiply. Whatever that means. That's just how I'm intuitively feeling, okay? You have this superhuman strength, this newfound strength every time you are attacked, okay? They will fill your absence, Divine Collective. It's not over yet. They tried to destroy your image. Homeless. Homeless. They won't stop stalking you, okay? They're completely drained, Divine Collective. These energies, you have got these energies completely drained, okay? In their head. Jezebel. Jezebel is here. Jezebel is having a powerful awakening. What? What's this about, Spirit? On how to create stronger boundaries that guard your energy? I'm getting massive regrets in this reading. Massive regrets. For trying to burn the evidence. Okay, someone tried to burn the evidence here. They're in massive regret. Sex magic. Someone was trying to destiny swap. A lot of regrets. Spirit is exposing all the magic that was done. Sex magic. Death magic. Suicide spells. They tried to burn the evidence. We have an enabler here, enabling this person's irresponsible behavior, okay? So whoever this is enabling this person, they're in just as much trouble, Spirit says, okay? They may have not, you know, made the move, so to say, but they were a part of it, okay? Gemini is here. Someone was trying to control a Gemini. That's funny. Out of all the signs, you decided to try and control a Gemini? Okay. Someone needs to get back into your energy field because they want this gold medal. They want to win at all costs, Divine Collective. Something about a gold medal. Someone may be even challenging this person or betting this person on if they can get back into your energetic field, Divine Collective. It's not going to happen. What did I say? It's a waste of time. This card says it's a waste of time, Divine Collective. That's funny. Yeah, trying to ease their way back into your energy, Divine Collective. Determined to find a way back in. That's wild. Mad you are doing so good. Peace, love, and light.